What's up everybody? Hope you're having a great weekend. I have a big announcement. If you guys are familiar with the YouTuber Mr. Beast, he just dropped a pretty significant video the other night saying that he was going to be donating 10 cents for every subscriber that he got in 2021. So that kind of got me thinking, what if I try the same thing? What if I donate 10 cents, except I'm going to donate it back to you, the subscriber. So here's how this is going to work. So right now, according to YouTube, I have 12,760 subscribers right this second. And that's the number that we're gonna start off with. That means every subscriber I get on top of that is going to be another 10 cents towards a giveaway, towards a prize for you that I'm gonna be giving away every month. So all of that money throughout the month gets added up and I put it towards a prize to give away to you guys. And then maybe towards the end of the year, we'll save up a couple months and give away a really big prize. So ultimately, I am leaving this giveaway in your hands. How big the prizes get are completely up to you. I have things like this gimbal that I would really like to give away because I have a bunch of extra gimbals. I get a lot of things to review, and the more subscribers I get, the more you share this content with your friends, share it on your social media, Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, things like that. Share it to photography groups. That means more subscribers, and that means bigger giveaways. Like, there are a lot of things I want to give away. And of course, if there are any sponsors, let's say you have maybe an extra camera backpack that you'd like me to review and sponsor this competition and give away to my awesome subscribers, feel free to reach out to me. And my ultimate goal is to really just reinvigorate this channel. Things have been a little bit slow lately because of COVID and everything else going on around the world. So I really want to pump some energy into this channel, and I'm gonna need your guys' help for that because you are awesome and you've supported me for 4 years now, which is amazing. And I want to give back to you guys so I can keep doing this channel, keep doing giveaways, and keep making videos to help you learn photography, tips, tricks, hacks, and everything you want to know. So that is it. If you haven't subscribed already, hit that subscribe button, comment down below because that might be one of the ways that I end up choosing a winner for some of these giveaways. And always hit that like button. And of course, share this content so we can get some really big prizes to give away in this competition. So I will see you guys next weekend. Until next time, get out and go shoot.